Hello guys, welcome back to another video and thank you for joining me today. If you're new here, I'm Lillian Sanchez on my YouTube channel and I'm very happy to give you a first impression as well as my review on the FHI Heat Curve Pro Styling Iron, and I'm very happy to get my hands on this product because I was actually in need of a flat iron. I had mine for many years and it was about time to make a change and get a new one. Would definitely be showing you how this works and everything about it. So now let's go ahead and unbox it. I will be giving you very basic information on this product, but if you have further questions and very interested in purchasing, I will be linking the website down below. I have to say I really love the packaging. It looks very luxurious and organized. So now we're going to go ahead and pull this baby out. Inside our box and our packaging, we have the instructions and safety guides in case you have any questions how to use it or any questions on the safety of this particular product. You will find them. It comes inside the box as well. And this is what our FHI Heat Curve Pro Styling Iron looks like. It has a very ergonomic look. It is easy to hold and also to style your hair. I love the matte finish on this product as well as the style. Everything on it looks perfect put together. In this side, you have to push in this button to open it. And on this other side, you close your flat iron, you press this button to lock it. So far, the looks on this flat iron are definitely on point. It's so stylish, it's so nice. One of the reasons I was so eager to try this styling iron is the tourmaline ceramic plates. They are infused with magnesium, and what this does is that it helps to lock in moisture. It just reduces the time you spend using the product as well as helps to style your hair, makes your hair very smooth. This styling iron is also ideal for any hair type, and the heat up range goes from 265 to 450. I also see that this is a very long and standard cord. It has a Velcro to just keep your cord together. And if you're interested in this Curve Pro Styling Iron, the price is $160. Now we're going to move on to our hair tutorial where I am going to show you my hair right now. It is quite messy. Let me just give you a quick background on my hair. I have very thick hair, lots of volume, and it gets frizzy very easily. So let me take off my scrunchie so you guys can see what we're going to be dealing with. And actually about 2 months ago, my hair was up to my waist, but I couldn't take it anymore because I felt like it was a lot of work I was doing. I did not have the tools to actually maintain my hair and style it because usually we underrun or we are always on the go. So I'm very excited to actually try this styling iron because this can help with my hair frizziness and also reduce the time that I spend styling my hair. Let me tell you, this will become a holy grail for me. So now to turn on our styling iron, we have here an LED screen and we will be pressing the plus button. Press the on plus button right over here and we will see temperature in digital form, and in order to adjust we can just press the plus button, or if we want to decrease it we will press the minus button right over here. So it's very easy and straightforward to use. We're going to leave it at 355, and in case we want to increase it we'll come back to the temperature, but I think 355 will be an ideal temperature. I don't want it to be too hot, so let's start at that number. So for me it's very important that before I style my hair or blow dry my hair I use some hair clips, and we're going to go ahead and separate our hair. I will start here at the bottom. I also like to use a leave-in conditioner or a heat protecting. I think it's very important prior to using any heating tools. I will be dividing my bottom hair into sections here. From these two sections, I am going to separate it on another two sections, and I will start with the back section, so I will roll this up and use this hair clip I have here already. I'm just going to brush my hair a little bit, make sure that is detangled and ready to be styled. It feels very comfortable. I love this so much. I'm going all the way into my roots and just go ahead and slowly pressing it down to my ends. Guys, I want to tell you something. This is the first layer that I did using the flat iron, and I want to tell you, look at the difference. My hair here looks still very wavy and very thick and with lots of frizz, and here this is only the first layer. We're gonna do a second layer or a second step with the flat iron. So far I'm happy, and this is just the beginning. Look at this difference. Look how much it reduced the frizz and how it's leaving my hair so straight and smooth. Oh my god, this is definitely a huge difference. So this is the area where my hair gets most curly. It gets these really tight curls, so I like to really go in and make sure I get rid of those curls. Question is, how do I feel about the Curve Pro Styling Iron? And just look at this. Guys, you know how we started. My hair was this frizzy, this big, so much volume, and look at the results. I want to say I love it. First, because it was a very easy product to use. It's very ergonomic. It's very different to previous styling irons I used before. It is super comfortable. I felt like I was just styling my hair so effortlessly that I didn't even feel like I was doing my hair. And I also noticed when I first used it, my hair felt very smooth and it styled my hair right away, which I love. I thought I had to just reuse it a couple of times, but I really didn't. I went once or twice with a styling iron, so I am very happy. I think it's an investment. It's definitely worth the price, and it's so well put together. Another thing I really like is that I noticed I was able to really go in my roots with this styling iron, because as you can see, the plates are inside, they are not coming out too much, so there's a separation between the plates and the plastic on the outside. Just makes it safer and easier to use and to get closer to your roots. For me, it's major to find a product that is effortless to use, that I am able to reduce my time, because we usually on the run or very busy with our schedules, and this really got the job done, and it really exceeded my expectations. I'm very happy with it, so I quickly want to show you what my hair looks like. So I really hope I help someone to make a decision if you decide to buy it, and definitely give it a try. Let me know. I will be linking the website below, and thank you so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you on the next one.